Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Which material is very hard and very ductile? Answer is nichrome. Which is called a banker's check? Answer is demand draft. With which game or sport is popping crease associated? Answer is cricket. Which lake in India has the highest water salinity? Answer is Sambhar. In which year did the Peshwa become the official head of Maratha administration? Answer is 1748 AD. Bhopal gas tragedy struck in the year 1984 due to the leakage of which gas? Answer is methyl isocyanate. Which was an associate state of India before becoming a full-fledged state? Answer is Sikkim. Einstein's mass energy relation is given by which expression? Answer is E equals to mc square. Which is the first company managed major port in India? Answer is Ennore. Which governor of Bengal committed suicide in 1774? Answer is Robert Clive. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in which field? Answer is literature and journalism. Bouncing of checks has become an offence. What is the punishment for the same? Answer is 6 months imprisonment. All of the organisms living in a particular area, what do they make up? Answer is a biological community. Sound travels faster in which thing? Answer is iron than in air. Who was the first General Secretary of the Indian National Congress? Answer is Dadabhai Nauroji. The zero-based budgeting in India was first experimented from? Answer is April 1987. Rainfall in the doldrums is of the nature of which precipitation? Answer is orographic precipitation. The first Indian leader to undergo imprisonment in 1892. Answer is C. Vijayaraghavachari. Which type of microorganism is most widely used in industries? Answer is bacteria, microalgae and fungi. What is the maximum number of elected members in a state assembly? Answer is 500. In fireworks, the green flame is produced because? Answer is because of barium. Which term for natural vegetation is associated with Siberia? Answer is taiga. During the Indian freedom struggle, who started a journal? The Indian sociologist. Answer is Shyamaji Krishna Varma. Which person is called Desert Fox? Answer is General Rommel. National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation is known as NACMF. What will be the absorbed by roots hairs when the external medium is? Answer is hyptonic. Which is not an important factor of climate of an area? Answer is longitude. By whom was the Home Rule movement in India was started? Answer is Annie Besant and Tilak. By whom Zonal Council is provided? Answer is by Parliamentary Act. Why does a liquid drop tend to assume a spherical shape? Answer is surface tension. What is the thermal equator found? Answer is north of the geographical equator. A women's division of the Indian National Army named after? Answer is Rani Jhansi. How can fertility of soil be improved? Answer is by adding living earthworms. By whom was the Vernacular Press Act was passed? Answer is Lord Lytton. By whom is recognition to a political party accorded? Answer is by the Election Commission. Who was the scientist responsible for the rejection of vital force theory? Answer is Lavoisier. Which award is associated with agriculture? Answer is Borlaug Award. What type of farming is practiced in the densely populated regions of the world? Answer is intensive farming. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? Answer is 1911. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.